Eat more, food connoisseur. Welcome to my foodie adventures. I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about the restaurant and the food that I will be reviewing. Pull up and enjoy the ride, baby. Alright, today I'm doing this spot called the Glassboro Deli and Produce. Got this hoagie right here from them, and we're gonna see what it's heading for. Alright, foodie fam, before I get involved in this hoagie, I'm asking y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Click the bell at the bottom of the page so you know when my videos are on. Alright, let's see what we have here. Let you check this hoagie out. Oh, check this out. See this hoagie with everything on it. It was brought here by a nice gentleman named Mr. Bennett. So we're going to get involved in this hoagie and see what it's hitting for. It smells delicious. Get a couple more bites in. Nice choice of meat, very flavorful. Good choice of cheese. Not a really fan of the lettuce and tomatoes, but they go on there great. Only thing I would change on this is, hold on, let me take another bite. Okay, one thing I would change on this is the mayo. Not really used to mayonnaise being on Italian hoagie, but I'm not knocking it for that. It's just I'm not used to that. But it's a perfect amount of onions on it. Nice choice of meat. Nice choice of cheese. Nice amount of meat. And nice amount of cheese. It's not overpacked and it's not underpacked, if you get what I'm saying. This is truly a good hoagie. On a scale of 1 to 10, excuse me, that means it's good. I give it a 7.4. One thing I can tell you, the vegetables are fresh on here. That's always a plus. That's part of some of the reasons why I don't like vegetables like lettuce and tomatoes on my sandwiches, because A lot of times the vegetables are not fresh, but you can definitely tell there's lettuce, tomatoes, and onions are fresh. Pretty good hoagie. I don't normally grab hoagies up. I think I did a review on probably maybe 2 of them, because it's hard to find a right spot for a hoagie. Let me show you this again. You see this bread? This bread right here, if I'm not mistaken, this is Amoroso bread. And this with a hoagie and a cheesesteak should go on. Not them seeded rolls, not a fan of those. To me, the seeds just takes away from the taste of it. So the bread has to be right to make the hoagie or the cheesesteak. So that's one thing that I like about that hoagie, is the choice of bread. It's not too hard, it's not too soft, it's just the right texture to add the quality of meats that you put on it. Because sometimes the quality of meats and the mayonnaise and the oil or whatever you put on it can get bread soggy if it's not the right quality of bread. So that was a good choice of bread too. And I might have to try some more things from them. Like I might have to try their cheesesteak, because if they got their hoagie on the right roll, I know they got their cheesesteak on the right roll. All right, y'all. It's always a pleasure coming out to you, letting you experience my foodie adventures. Like I said, this one right here was a good choice today, and I enjoyed it very well. And I'm gonna try some more stuff from this place. This place is called the Glassboro Deli and Produce, and it's located in South Jersey. So if you want a good hoagie or sandwich, go check these people out. All right, y'all. It's always a pleasure coming out on camera, letting you experience what I experienced. You know, in the foodie game, you got the good, you got the bad, you got the ugly. And today was not a bad or ugly, and it was, you know, this was a love offering. So I appreciate that. Thank you very much, Mr. Bennett. Good looking out. And y'all gonna see me in the next review. Enjoy your day out there. It's a nice, beautiful, cold day out there. So enjoy it. Y'all can check me out on the other platforms. On Facebook, you can check me out on More Food Connoisseur. On YouTube, you can check me out More 45. All right, y'all, enjoy the rest of your day, and you'll see me very soon. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby.